how to log into a different Netflix account on a smart TV. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into a different Netflix account on your smart TV. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, in order to log into a different Netflix account on your smart TV or any other streaming device, you have to sign out first of all. To do that, in most cases, you have to go to the settings page and you will see this kind of interface. Or you just have to press the left button on your remote pad in order to enable these options on the left hand side. Once you do so, over here you have to select the option that says get help, as you can see at the bottom left. As you tap on the get help option, on the next step again you'll be able to see all these settings. What you have to do is from the bottom left again select the option that says sign out. So as you can see the sign out option, just click on it. Once you select sign out, it will ask me, are you sure that you want to sign out? You just have to go ahead and select the yes option, and once you select yes, it will take you to the login page, and now you can log into a relatively new account as well. That's all it takes to sign out of Netflix and log into a different account on a smart TV. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.